Tip 6 is short but essential, which is what value do you have in here? I'm in a bubble app, I'm in general, I'm in settings, I'm under privacy and security, and we've got these different options here. You might think, oh, I don't want my app to be private, I want other people to use it, but look what this is actually attached to. This is define who can see and modify the app. 99% of the time you want this to be set to private, because otherwise that means people can view your editor, they can view bits of your database, especially if you've got everyone can edit. That basically means if someone visits this URL, they can make changes to your app, whether they've got, they can change it, they could wreak havoc in your account. So make sure you've got private app selected. You'll also notice that I've got, and I'll be changing these once I've finished hit stop on this recording, that this is our demo app, and there are some bits in here that we don't want to be public or for people to stumble across. So I've made it that my dev app can only be accessed by using this username and password. This is not a username and password for a user in my database. This will be used when I visit my app for the first time in the new browser, and the browser shows an alert, like a pop-up, and that's where I put in my username and password. And I would share the same username and password amongst my team if I am protecting my dev version in this way. And it might not be a bad idea to protect your dev version, because you might have data in the database, you might have privacy rules, we're coming on to those, that you've not yet shored up. If you're unsure, if you think that it's a little bit risky, that there might be data exposed in your dev app, you will want to ensure that you have a username and password set here for limit access to this app in runtime with username and password.